In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a glass appear transparent so that the background can be seen. If you have inserted the glass image into Photoshop, first set its size and position. Next step, I use the Object Selection tool. Adjust its size to the object to be selected. After it is automatically selected, duplicate the glass image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Hide the layer that has not been cut. And then change the blend section from normal to multiply. Duplicate the glass image layer. Lower the opacity value. When you've done that, duplicate the layer once more. Change the blending option from multiply to screen. After that, click on the FX section and then select Blending Options. Then set the toggle section on this layer an underlying layer. If so, click OK. If you want to simplify the layer display, create a group on the 3 layers. And the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.